Hey there, guys. So my name is Nick Barnhart. I'm going to be going over the Amazon rainforest with you guys. Many of you know what it is, but I'm gonna give you a little bit of info on it. Maybe you don't know. Focusing mainly on deforestation, something I'm very passionate about. So deforestation, as a definition from Webster Dictionary, says the action of clearing a wide area of trees. Pretty simple. It's in the word. The worldly definition I found in many textbooks mainly focuses on the deforestation of trees and land being stripped away in the Amazon rainforest, just because of the large area that it covers. It's mostly where our deforestation occurs. Now, the Amazon rainforest stretches across multiple countries: Brazil, Bolivia, Peru, Venezuela, and a couple others. The rainforest today, which is the massive thing, holds 7.6 billion metric tons of carbon dioxide each year. In total, we're looking at about 250 billion metric tons of carbon dioxide, and that's not including the amount of trees that have already been cut down. We're only looking at about 36% of our rainforest still remaining intact and healthy. That's the equivalent of 90 years of fossil fuel emissions released into the air if they were to be released. Now, with every tree that's cut down, killed, burned, whatever you want to call, it is released. All of that carbon dioxide right back into our atmosphere. Now, looking at the numbers, they say that each minute of every day, there are 3 football fields worth of trees cut down, burned, or bulldozed. 4,320 football fields a day is what we're looking at. Roughly 120 yards, 1,760 yards in 1 mile, and 2,300,000 square miles of rainforest in total before all of the deforestation that's already occurred. That would mean that in about a year and a half, if every day this occurs, we're looking at the rainforest depleting at that point, which gives us roughly 2 years to figure out what's going to happen. And I'll tell you, most of the carbon dioxide is going to be released back into the air. Over 90% of it will. You're looking at insane amount of flooding all over the world. All coastal cities, scientists are saying, will be underwater, along with the amount of research being done on the plants and animals in the rainforest coming to a halt because they'll no longer be available. Now, that obviously leads to some very bad things, but there's still hope to help. Donating, as far as money goes, is always best. However, there are donations such as like planting a tree. You can donate money to plant a tree over in Brazil or Bolivia or Ecuador or wherever these other places are. I've used all of these except for the carbon forest one. It talks about your carbon footprint and stuff, which I think is fantastic. I've just never used it myself. But ultimately, guys, if we can give any sort of information to others, that's the biggest help. Some people, they know about the rainforest. They're just not privy to exactly what's going on over there and how severe it is. So spread the awareness. Talk to some friends and family about it. Let everyone know what's going on. Do your own research, of course. And at the end of the day, donate if you can, whether it's time, information, or money. Thank you, guys.